Welcome to your channel, Storyteller. In this video, we dive into a compelling discussion about what does true righteousness mean? The matter is not limited to external appearance only, but also to the purity of the heart and actions. Join us in this video. If you're ready to explore more, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Let's get started. Do not approach this woman, as the prophet, may God bless him and grant him peace, warned us. Do you think you know what righteousness is? Is it just about appearances, or is there more beneath the surface? Join us on a journey of discovery to uncover what it truly means to have a righteous heart and deeds. We will tackle common misconceptions and delve deeper into them. Are you ready? If you are looking for insight and challenge to understand true righteousness, you are in the right place. Subscribe now and don't miss out on discovering the truth and positive impact in your life. Many of us, unfortunately, especially perhaps the young among us, are steeped in skin. We see goodness as mere appearances. In our view, a good woman is simply one who wears the full hijab and covers her face. But is this the whole truth? Let's dig deeper. Righteousness is not just about outward appearance. Rather, it is purity of heart, gentleness of action, and self-control in speech. So look at this, the woman who prays fervently, fasts obediently, and hurts her neighbors with her words. The Prophet Muhammad, may God bless him and grant him peace, taught us, there is no good in it, she is in hell. On the contrary, a woman performs her obligatory prayers, gives alms, and does not harm anyone. She is in heaven. Righteousness, you see, goes beyond ritual, it embraces compassion and integrity. What about the good man? Is he just an appearance of piety? Or is it about his personality behind closed doors? How he treats his family and how he makes his living? True righteousness is about consistency. It is about living according to principles of decency and respect. Not just in public, but in every aspect of life. So, dear viewers, let's look beyond the surface. Let's strive for the righteousness that shines from within. This script aims to blend introspection with visual storytelling, encouraging viewers to consider the true essence of goodness beyond external symbols. Adjustments can be made to match specific visual cues or brand elements as needed. As we conclude our exploration of righteousness, remember that it is not just about what meets the eye. True righteousness includes sincerity, kindness, and integrity in every action and interaction. It is about striving for excellence in character, not just appearance. Thank you for joining us in this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more thought-provoking content. Together, let's continue to strive for deeper understanding and make a positive impact in our lives and communities. Until next time, stay inspired and stay good, my greetings to you, and may God's peace, mercy, and blessings be upon you.